Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel, bringing you a cold start walk around video today for this 2006 Ford F350. It's a crew cab short bed 1-ton Lariat model, FX4 off-road package. It's two-tone charcoal gray and tan. We're going to be going through it today. It's kind of a cooler 70-80 degree day. Got a little rain this morning here. Truck's hard loaded, power everything. Power seats, heated leather seats. We don't have any really rips or tears. A little bit of normal age stuff. Can use a light cleaning. Loaded sunroof truck as well. We'll hop up in here. Oh, miles just went off, of course. So we got 190,905. We are cold on both gauges over there. Truck fires right up. Doesn't do anything funny at all. No smoking or anything back there. Truck is stocked. It's got an EGR delete and a cold air intake. New set of charger pipes, but other than that, it's a bone stock truck. It's never been tuned or studded or anything. 190,905, so not too far off from 200. It's loaded, 4x4 on the fly, factory integrated trailer brakes, parking sensors, rear window slider, does work. 6-disc in-dash CD changer, automatic climate control AC, which here, it is ice cold. Steering wheel's loaded too with all your tunes and your AC controls on the steering wheel that work. Cruise control, power windows, power mirrors, power locks. That's about it. It's got the, like I said, the sunroof overhead here, which does work, does not leak or anything. Leather in the back seats in really nice shape. Overall, it's a really good truck. Mechanically, it's been fully serviced, front end suspension, all parts are new. Lift, wheels, and tires are all brand new in the last 10 miles. Only bad thing I can say about this truck, it really doesn't have any rust either. It's got some dings and dents from being a 1-ton work truck over the years, a couple little bit, but we bought it bone stock and did all the modifications ourselves. So let's pop out, check under the hood, and kind of walk around the body a little bit here. So you notice right off the bat, it's got some new charger pipes on it. The original ones were a little old and frail, so we upgraded them with some nice blue Sinister type ones. Stock exhaust on the truck with an EGR delete. And then it's got a K&N cold air intake on there. Daystar suspension system off-road kit. Got some Harley Davidson Depot Edition clear headlights with the clear corners on them. And then we do have smoked 5-highs. Like I said, truck is super clean. It cleans up great. The paint's in awesome shape. It's not rusty at all. But we are going to go over a couple little dings, dents, scratches, whatnots. Going down the driver's side, there's a little tiny bend in the metal there. Kind of hard to notice, but it is there. You do have some pinstriping chunked off from the little tape pinstripe they put on from the factory. It's got the smoke and the rain guards over both the windows for you. Oh, it's popped down. Cab corners, no rust at all really. Very minor surface rust. It's got some aftermarket steps on there as well. Wheels are a 20x12 Ion. Negative 44 offset chrome wheel with a 35 1250 20 amp all-terrain tire. They're brand new. Wheels and tires have less than 10 miles on them. We did ball joints on this truck, so she has new ball joints up front. D&W turnover hitch with a drop-in bed liner. So on the bed here, we're going to see some of these dings. It's just very minor. It's not hail, but they look like similar to little hail dings. Some of it could be fixed. You got some normal scratches, light scratches, and touch up. Something right there, I don't know. But we're not seeing any rust here on the line. It's not a super bad truck. It's all been underbodied and everything. Just some minor scratches and stuff. We got a set of aftermarket tail lights that, I don't know if it's just an optical illusion, but they almost appear to be color matched with the paint. Like they sync up to the color. I don't know if you're getting that in this video, but it's pretty cool. If you don't like them, we'll throw some stock ones on there for you. It's not a big deal. Smoked out the third brake light up top as well. Bumper's pretty straight, tailgate's pretty straight. Got the trim cap doing a little peeling. Those plastic clips break off inside of there. Exhaust is stock, it just has a muffler tip on it. We got some scratches on this fender flare right here. Nothing terrible. No real dings on this bedside. More of that tape break though. Nice clean rocker and cab corner, just like you want to see. And then you do have all your trailer connections in the bed right there if you're going to be pulling a gooseneck or fifth wheel. Back seat has your storage underneath that pulls out. It is missing one button on the radio. I don't know if you can see that right up there, that white button. You can get those on eBay for almost $1. I just completely forgot about that until I saw that. No real damage to report on this side either. You got some normal wear and tear on this leather. That seems to be like a scratch, not actually dirt. Pretty clean for 190K. There's one more little ding in that door. I don't know if you can see it. A couple light scratches. You do got some here on the fender flare as well. Just some light scratching. It's been touched up. Other than that, it's a clean truck. So it's got a great look to it. If you're interested, get in touch with us. 816 Diesel. You can call the shop direct. 298-7030. We're down here in Kansas City, Missouri, right in downtown Kansas City. Your best bet's to head over to the website, 816diesel.com. 816diesel.com. Head over there. You're going to get pictures. You're going to get the VIN number. You're going to get all the information you need if you're going to go to your bank. My phone number's on there, my direct line and my cell phone. Call me or text me with any questions, or if you want to set up an appointment to come see the truck. My name's Cameron. My cell phone is 913-735-3748. Again, 913-735-3748. I look forward to hearing from you. Let me know what you think about the truck, guys. We'll see you later this week with a couple other ones.